Hello students, in this video we will discuss about displacement. Actually displacement is also a terminology to understand motion in a proper way. In the case of displacement, I will tell you here that minimum distance covered by a moving body from its origin point to station point is called displacement. One again, minimum distance covered by a moving body from its origin point to station point is called displacement. So see now, minimum distance covered by a moving body between its origin point to station point. Station point is called displacement. Note, for the measure of displacement, we need both. For the measurement of displacement, we need both magnitude as well as its direction also. So we can say that displacement is a vector quantity. One again, for the measurement of displacement, we need both direction as well as magnitude. So due to this, we can say that displacement is a vector quantity. Note, for measurement of displacement, we need both magnitude as well as direction. So we can say that displacement is a vector quantity. Meant is a vector quantity. Number one. Number two, unit of displacement is also meter. Unit of displacement is meter. Displacement is also measured in meter because displacement is also related with the length, and length is measured with the length is measured in meter. So displacement is also measured in meter. There are some important facts about displacement. See one by one. Suppose a body starts from its origin point. It goes O to A to B, B to C, C to D. So on this matter we can say that a body moves from O to A to B, B to C and C to D. So in the case of displacement, we will see that minimum distance between origin point and station point. On D, the body stops. So that is the station point. Station point. So minimum distance between origin point to station point. It is origin point. Origin point, and it is station point. So minimum distance between origin point, minimum distance between origin point and start point, minimum distance between origin point and starting point, this is called displacement. Displacement. In other way, we can say that suppose suppose a person is moving. Suppose it is origin point. A person moves, starts its motion from here. It goes O to A, now O to B. So we can say that now displacement will be minimum distance on B if body person stops. So that will be the B will be station point. Station point, and it is origin point. Origin point. So we can say that minimum distance between origin point to station point, this distance is the displacement. Displacement. So that is the displacement. Means we can say that minimum distance covered by a body between its origin point to station point is called displacement. Displacement always takes place into a particular direction or in a straight line. Straight line measurement is also indicated as a particular direction. So in the displacement, the measurement of distance always takes place into a straight line, otherwise in a particular direction, as well as we also need its magnitude. So we can say that displacement is a vector quantity. Next, in the case of displacement, some fundamental things I will tell you here, that in the case of displacement, note, in the case of displacement, if origin point and station point overlap on each other, so that time in this case displacement becomes zero. Note, when origin point and station point both overlap each other, so we can say that each other. So in this condition, displacement becomes zero. Displacement becomes zero. Example: suppose here is the origin point. A person starts from here. It goes O to A. Now from A to B comes B to C, and again goes on O. Means it goes from O to A to B, B to C, and again goes C to O. So that time you see that and person will come here and stops here. So it stops here, so you can say that origin point. So it stops here, so station point, and this origin point, both overlap each other. So The distance between both points is 0. So the displacement is 0. So the distance between both points 0. So displacement is also G. That's all. It's one more example I will tell you here. Suppose a player takes a ball and throws up. Suppose this player takes balls and throws up. This ball goes here and comes back again into its hand. So that is the origin point. After that it goes here. Now stop. Station point for moving up. But when it comes down, so that time here will be origin point. And now it stops in your hands, so we can say the station point. So in both conditions, now for downward, station point or origin point overlap each other. And for here also overlap each other. So on this point we can say that up to here also and up to here also, in both conditions displacement is 0. In both conditions, suppose it is first condition and it is second condition, in both conditions displacement is 0. In both conditions displacement is 0. Displacement is 0. In both conditions displacement is 0. That's all about displacement. In the case of displacement, because displacement also always takes place in straight line. So straight line is also measured as a particular direction and for its magnitude, because how much distance it will cover during motion. So in this condition we can say that for in the case of displacement needs magnitude as well as its direction also. So displacement is a vector quantity. Note, displacement is a vector quantity. That's all. And in the next video we will discuss about some numericals related with displacement and distance. Okay.